Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add the extra dim to the quick settings menu on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down with two fingers to open up the quick settings menu. In here, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-out menu tap on edit buttons. Next, touch and hold on the extra dim button and drag it onto your quick settings. So place it at the position that you want and let go. Now tap on the done button, and that's it. Whenever you would like to use the extra dim feature, you can swipe down and then tap on extra dim to quickly turn on or turn off extra dim to make your screen darker or brighter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.